Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Just wanted to make this a quick one. This is the, if I can pronounce this correctly, TORNVIKEN Kitchen Island. This is the off-white oak version. It was £315 from Ikea, and then, as you can see, it is already built. It came in 3 separate boxes and with instructions and a bunch of fittings and fixtures. It took around, I'd say, half an hour, 30 minutes to build it. It wasn't too difficult. Most of it I did on my own, but towards the end I needed my partner to help flip it up to put one of the side panels on. So yeah, we did have a different kitchen island from Ikea, which I believe is a lot better than this one. It's bigger, it's bulkier. I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. As you can see, excuse me, this side is where you'll have 2 stools, or maybe 3, depending on the size of them. And on this side, this is where you'll store whatever you want to store on the 2 shelves. Plenty of space on them. I'm going to show you. This is, I think, 126 centimetres by 77 centimetres, which is plenty big enough for in this kitchen. There's something I do want to mention. Actually, I did just mention with the other kitchen island that we used to have, the top was like this thick and it was absolutely solid. It was difficult to scratch. And the downfall with this one is that it's not as durable. I can't find it now, but there's a little scratch somewhere that was caused by my watch. I was just leaning on here talking to my fiance, and as I moved my arm back, I made a mark, but you're not going to be able to see it on camera. But that's something you should be aware of. It's not as hard wearing as our other kitchen island, but it is solid. It's a solid piece of wood. I believe it's oak, at least that's what it says. Just get a lot down there so you can see the feet. On the inside you can see the type of, fittings and a couple of screws there. Oh! But all in all, yeah, it's quite simple for build. It's reasonably priced. Our other kitchen island was black and it was quite dark looking, but as you can see, this is a lot brighter. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't think there's anything else to mention. Maybe the heart, one moment. Yeah. So the heart is 90 centimetres. In case I forgot to mention that. So yeah, just a quick video showing you our new kitchen island from Ikea. Thanks for watching. Bye.